ReviMora Hand Massager is being marketed as an easy at-home solution for hand pain, stiffness, and better circulation. But the real question is whether it actually delivers real relief or just sounds more effective than it is. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Devices like this use air compression and heat therapy, which are real methods used to relax muscles and temporarily improve blood flow. However, here's the key point. The strong claims you see are mostly based on general benefits of the technology, not specific proof for ReviMora itself. There are some clear positives. Combines compression and heat for a soothing effect can help reduce temporary stiffness and fatigue easy to use at home with short sessions. For people with tired hands from typing or daily use, it can feel relaxing and provide short-term comfort. That said, there are some important downsides. The biggest one is limited long-term impact. Relief is usually temporary and fades after use. It doesn't treat underlying issues like carpal tunnel or arthritis. Another concern is generic product design. Similar hand massagers are widely available under different brand names. There's little independent testing showing the specific model stands out. Some users of similar devices say it feels good, but not strong enough for serious pain, while others see it more as a relaxation tool than a treatment. So, is ReviMora real relief or false promises? Short answer, real but limited. It can provide short-term relief and relaxation, but it's not a medical solution and won't deliver dramatic or permanent results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.